New to Suno AI. If you've never created AI music before, don't worry. Suno AI makes it easy to turn simple ideas into original songs, even if you have no musical experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Suno AI for beginners in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website or open the mobile app. Sign in with your existing account or create a free account if you're just getting started. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to create your first AI-generated song. Take a few moments to explore the dashboard. You'll find options to explore music from other creators, create songs, browse your library, and manage your account. Yeah, getting familiar with the layout makes everything easier. Click the Create button and type a simple prompt describing the kind of music you want. Mention the genre, mood, instruments, or the type of vocals you'd like. You can also add your own lyrics or let Suno AI generate them for you. I mean, the more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Click the Generate button and wait while Suno AI creates your music. Once the songs are ready, listen to each version and decide which one you like best. Take a moment to compare different generations before creating another version. Your songs are automatically saved to your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share it using a public link or download your music. Saving your favorite songs makes them easy to find later. One of the best ways to improve your results is by experimenting with different prompts. Try changing the genre, mood, instruments, lyrics, or tempo to create completely new songs. So you've successfully learned the basics of using Suno AI, and that's how to use Suno AI for beginners. With just a few prompts, you can create original songs in almost any style, even if you've never made music before. I mean, the more you experiment and practice, the better your AI-generated music will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.